Plastic waste has become one of the world's biggest environmental challenges. In Inchelenge, Zambia, one innovator has taken a step to turn this problem into a solution.
My vision is simple. That's why I started the project, so that we can reduce the impact of plastic materials from our environment and create or have the production capacity that can produce affordable and clean energy, which is petrol and diesel for now, which we are producing.
Using a process called pyrolysis, plastics are heated in a special reactor without oxygen. This breaks them down into usable fuels, diesel and petrol, that can power engines, generator and machinery.
So this is our plant. This is our plant setup. This is our reactor. In the reactor, this is where we put the plastics. So when we put the plastics here, then we burn them at least up to 350 degrees Celsius, up to between 350 to 500 degrees Celsius. So when we burn the plastics, we expect the gas to come up. When the gas come up through the pipes, we expect them to condense in these cylinders. This is the first condenser, this is the second condenser, and that is the third condenser. That cylinder just supports these other cylinders. In the first condenser, we expect to get diesel from here. On the second condenser, we expect to get petrol from here. Even on the third condenser, we expect to get petrol from here. The gas you are seeing there, the gas which is there, it is propane.
Let's see the gas there.
Yeah. This gas you are seeing, it is propane or methane, depending on the temperature of the reactor there. So this gas we just usually burn it, but it can be very useful. It can be used for heating, can be used for cooking, and so on. So this is the gas. Now let's just check if we have something in the first condenser there. If we have something from the first condenser here. So you can see this is crude oil from the waste plastics. This is crude oil from the waste plastics. This is diesel, so to say. This is diesel.
Okay.
We just try from the second condenser to see what we have from there.
So this is the second one, the second condenser?
Yeah, this is the second condenser.
What do you expect to get from here?
We expect petrol from here. Yeah. So that is petrol, you can see. That is petrol from the waste plastics. Wow. That is petrol from the waste plastics. You can see.
It's finished?
Yeah, it's finished, just a retro.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
It's finished. That is petrol from the waste plastics.
Let me just maybe touch. Is it hot?
No, it's
wow.
Cool. Yeah, it's cool.
Wow. Yeah. It's petrol?
Yeah, so we just want to see how inflammable this is.
Okay.
We just want to try if this can burn.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
If it's really petrol?
Yeah, it's petrol.
Okay.
You just put further. Yeah.
Okay.
So it can burn, as you can see. It's very, very inflammable. Yeah, so this is petrol. This is petrol.
This technology not only provides energy but also creates jobs, reduces dependence on imported fuel, and protects the environment from the dangers of plastic pollution.
Currently, as you can see, we are just on a piloting stage. What we are just doing, when we make the retro production, we are just giving to motor riders to test it. And currently they are enjoying. We don't have complaints on the product we are giving them to test for us. But for diesel, it has a mix of a little petrol, so it has to be cracked, it has to be refined for us to put it into machinery. So currently we are not using diesel, we are not giving out diesel for test. But we need financial support. As you can see, the project is very huge, so we need just a minimum of 500,000 kwacha, which we can use to buy machineries which can at least bring us to commercial level production. We need to buy machinery like a pyrolysis machine which can be used to convert the waste plastics into petroleum products. Then we need a filtrator, a filtration machine that can filtrate to the level of high quality products. Also we need the facility and we need the storage capacity, even the distribution facilitations methods.
From waste to wealth, from plastics to power, Kaoma Kelvin's innovation is a shining example of how young Zambians can lead the way in sustainable development. Mutant Ryan, Utando TV, Nchelenge District.